What's up guys, Devil Adventure Hobby Passion back today doing another video. As you've seen, we're going wheeling. There's a ton of Jeeps, Broncos, Toyotas, XJs, everything out here. So it's gonna be a freaking sick event. Tons of people. We're going off on our caravan to get over to the trailhead and air down. So yeah, let's get there, boys. I know where we're going. I totally know where we're going. Yeah, buddy. I don't know if you can see people behind us, but yeah, big old caravan. It's super fun. Yeah. And this freaking Tacoma in front of us is super sick. It's all on Kings, mid-travel, dude. It's built. It's sick. I'll have to get some more close-ups of it when we get airing down. Yeah, buddy! Yeah, baby. Dang, this has gotten a lot harder since I came here last. I'm not joking, a lot harder. Looking good! I don't know if I can do this, but I'll try. This trail's a lot harder than when I came last. Dang, this is cool. Super close to that wall. And we have those other guys that were just around us. They're gonna come up over here. They can come up from the center or in the top ridge right there. The top ridge one's the cooler one. I looked at when we were at whatever it's called, Maverick, and they didn't have any windshield wiper cleaners. stopped right at the top. Try to keep it flat. Look at this one. All right, time to go check out some more mines.
There you go. Oh wow.
Two of them right next to each other. That's kind of different. Oh wow. This one is a pretty good size. Oh, it's a horizontal. That's kind of, well, it's a angled, not straight down.
I think that's the one that you can like see the bumper still on it. The one down there.
That's probably why they
Back in the day.
concreted them up.
Sealed them up.
Come up the cliff, didn't know where it was. Right down into it.
The ends of something. Like yeah, I think so.
A bunch of trash.
Wow.
Yeah, I'd say that's a frame of a vehicle. Probably
Yeah.
is the Jeep, like you guys are saying. All right, well, that was the lunch break. Up in this cool area over by these two mine shafts I just showed you. And now we're going down over to Wayne's World. We're just gonna film it. There's no way my truck's gonna do it. We gotta do a lot more mods to get there. So, you know, let's enjoy some more riding. We're gonna film all of the guys that try to go up it, or some of them. And yeah, it'll be a good time. This is where we're parking because we're not doing Wayne's World. This crazy guy's gonna go do it. Well, let's go see it. obstacle itself. Making it up super easy. Dude. Oh, all day. Easy. Had to find that right pocket. And this is totally how you film, totally not paying attention, him winching up the Bronco, the brand new Bronco up. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video of going out to another off-roading event and having fun, meeting a bunch of new people, and just being able to test the limits of my truck. And well, not really the limits, but test it out, get better at driving in general, see what more upgrades and modifications need to be happening. I think we're going to be going to Tacoma 4.0 coming soon, maybe this winter, maybe spring, who knows. But I gotta get a lot of parts if I'm gonna be doing a 4.0. So yeah, hopefully though you enjoyed this video and that you want to see more of them, because I like filming them and I like doing them. But either way, like, comment, share, subscribe. But the biggest thing on my channel, go out and go find your passions.